So the Brother Airflow 3000 thread guides are kind of a pain, but they're really easy. But the three components that go in it is the cap and the wire piece that the thread goes between this and the cap, and the thrust, well, I don't know what you want to call it, like a thrust pad or whatever. So the way these have to work is this piece here has to go in. On the back side it's got a slot, so it has to slide in like this. So that slot in here straddles the little plastic piece like that. So that goes in there like that. This piece, the wire, it's a loop, and the loop side goes on the right, and the open part goes on the left. And it has to go in there here. It doesn't go over the edge like that. It has to be here. And then the thrust foam, I guess you could call it, is what pushes it up against this piece here. So we're going to put it in like that. The piece, so this little pad here is going to push this up gently against the other thing so the thread can slip through. So if you try to put it in there, it just folds over. So what I do here is I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to hold it in place like that, and who cares about the little foam, it'll work itself out. And then just come up here, put it in like that, and then straighten the foam out. Oh, guess I could try to push it in there. I haven't tried it that way. It looks like you could do it that way. I can't really do it, and I'm looking through the camera to do this, so I can't really do it very well, but yeah, that works. Anyway, just push it in there, and that pushes it up. Make sure they're all firmly in there, and then when you put the cover on, of course, it's going to hold all this together so it can't pop out.